Are you ready to explore the boundless possibilities of your future? It was Neville Goddard who once said, "Do not dwell on the limitations of the past or present. Instead, focus on the limitless possibilities of the future." Welcome to our channel, where we delve into powerful manifestation techniques and the art of attracting your deepest desires. Today, we'll dive into one of Neville Goddard's teachings that can transform your life, the inner talking technique. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join our manifestation journey. I regularly share insights and techniques for achieving your dreams and desires. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's get started. Today, we're going to explore an invaluable teaching by Neville Goddard, the inner talking technique. But before we dive into the technique itself, we need to understand a fundamental concept that Neville often emphasized: think from the end. Now that we've grasped the concept of thinking from the end and introduced the inner talking technique, let's delve deeper into both these ideas and explore how they can transform your life. Firstly, thinking from the end isn't just a fancy catchphrase, it's a profound approach to manifestation. When you immerse yourself in the end result, you bypass doubt and resistance. You're no longer searching for ways to achieve your desire. Instead, you're living it. Imagine having that dream house or thriving in a loving relationship, and feel the joy and contentment as if it's already your reality. This mental state sends powerful signals to your subconscious mind, which then orchestrates your actions and decisions to align with this envisioned outcome. Now, let's dive deeper into the inner talking technique. The power of this technique lies in your ability to have constructive conversations with yourself. Your inner dialogue becomes a tool for shaping your reality. Think of it as your daily pep talk with the universe. To make this technique even more effective, consider these steps. Daily affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations that reflect your desired state. These affirmations should be concise, clear, and in the present tense. For example, "I am abundant in all areas of my life," or "I am radiating love and positivity." Visualization. Visualization is a potent form of inner talking. Create vivid mental images of your goals. Visualize them with such clarity that it feels like a memory, not a distant dream. Imagine the sights, sounds, and emotions associated with your achievements. Emotional alignment. Your emotions are the driving force behind manifestation. As you engage in inner conversations, infuse them with the emotions you'd feel once your desires are realized. Whether it's joy, gratitude, or confidence, let these emotions flow through your inner dialogues. Repetition. Consistency is key. Engage in these inner conversations daily. Make it a part of your routine, like brushing your teeth. Repetition reinforces your belief in the manifestation process. Detoxify your inner speech. As you practice this technique, you'll become more aware of negative self-talk. When you catch yourself engaging in pessimistic conversations, address them immediately. Challenge those thoughts and replace them with positive, affirming statements. Set clear intentions. Your inner conversations should be goal-oriented. Clearly define your desires and intentions. The more specific and focused you are, the more effective your inner talking becomes. Self-reflection. Take time for introspection. Assess your progress and adjust your inner dialogues as needed. Are you seeing signs of your desires manifesting? If not, refine your conversations and beliefs. Gratitude. Express gratitude during your inner talks. Even for the things that haven't physically manifested yet, be grateful as if they already have. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for manifestation. Remember, your inner speech is like a garden. Nurture it with positivity, and it will yield the fruits of your desires. Weed out negativity and doubt, and watch your manifestations flourish. Incorporating the inner talking technique into your daily life can be transformative. It aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your goals, paving the way for the fulfillment of your deepest desires. By consistently practicing these principles, you're not just manifesting external changes. You're evolving into a new version of yourself, a version capable of achieving limitless possibilities. So, talk to yourself with purpose, believe in the power of your words, and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes. As we conclude this enlightening discussion on Neville Goddard's inner talking technique and the concept of thinking from the end, I want to express my gratitude to you for joining me on this journey of personal growth and manifestation. If you found this video insightful, please show your support by hitting the like button and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth explorations of techniques that can empower you to manifest the life of your dreams. In the boundless realm of your future, remember that you hold the key to unlocking limitless possibilities. Keep practicing the inner talking technique, keep thinking from the end, and keep believing in yourself. Your dreams are within reach, and your journey towards them has just begun. Thank you for being a part of this transformative experience, and I look forward to our continued exploration together.